place. Thousands of years ago, in ancient lands like Sumer and Egypt, someone had a brilliant idea: the wheel.
For centuries, horse-drawn carriages ruled the roads. But then came the Industrial Revolution.
We're flying! We're flying!
Launch sequence initiated.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.